Hi, my name is Cafasso, and this is my cycle.
Well, the best part about this bike, it's a Haro F3 team issue. It's pretty much got all the basic stuff. Haro front rim, the Haro forks, Haro stem, Colony sweet tooth bars, Animal, don't know the guy's name, grips, Colony bar ends, Haro pedals, Colony crank arms, Haro sprocket 25T, Alienation rim laced to a Poverty hub 9T. And the ticker's pretty loud, but I mean it doesn't matter about loudness. But Eastern seat, Haro seat clamp, and that's about it. I'll cycle.
In touch bitches. So tell them go hard. Yup. That's what I'ma do. Yeah.